Good morning, friends. Today we are going to be working on using a number bond to decompose our numbers that we get from our story problem. So, um, as you watch this, pay attention because Mr. Spivey is going to tell you a short little story, and you guys are going to help Mr. Spivey with this math problem. So, when you are looking at your number bond, you will always have one that looks a little bit like this. Okay, so you're going to have a circle here, then you're going to have two offshoots, and then circles off at the ends. So, go ahead and pay attention to what is going on. So, I'm going to tell you a story, and then I'm going to show you how to work with these with our Unifix cubes. Okay, so a squirrel collected 6 nuts for the fall. With my cubes, help me show that she has 6 nuts. So I'm going to take my Unifix cubes and I'm going to count out 6 because the story said the squirrel collected 6 nuts for her for the winter time. So let's go ahead and count out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome job. Oops. Alright, so collected 6 nuts, and we will let these represent the nuts that she collected. So now she buried 4 nuts in the ground and stored the other 2 nuts in a tree. So now I'm going to break my stick to show how many, to show just what she did. So it said that she buried 4, so she buried 4, and then she took 2 to her tree. So I'm going to break this, and now, which one should I show for the ones that she buried? Very good, the 4. So I have 4 cubes there. Okay, now, which one should I hold up that shows the ones that she took back to her tree? Very good. This one, the 2. Awesome job. All right. So she took her 6 nuts. So she had her 6 nuts. And she made 2 sets. She made 1 set to bury in the ground. So these will go in the ground. And these 2 are ones that she had back up in her tree. So she could probably eat them a little bit later. So we have 4 and 2. So let's go ahead and put that into our number bond. So I have 4 nuts, I'm just going to draw circles, that she buried, and then 2 that she was going to eat. So then we're going to put all of our nuts down there. So 1, 2, and then there are 4. So let's count these all together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so she has 6 nuts all together. So we write that as 6 equals 4 plus 2. Okay, so 6 equals 4 plus 2. And we say it, so this is how we write it, and we say it as 6 is 4 and 2. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and put our stick back together. And someone tell me a way that the squirrel could also break her nuts up into 2 sets. Just think about it just for a few seconds. Okay, so awesome job. So someone said that you can break them into 3. So we have 3 and 3. So 6 is 3 and 3, and you get 6. Alright, scholars, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure that you guys are listening to these, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Goodbye, friends.